Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease that causes inflammation in joints, typically bilaterally, as well as some other systemic effects. It is more common in women and usually occurs between 40 and 60 years of age. This condition can limit your daily activities and make simple tasks, like getting ready in the morning and driving, much more difficult. Little is known regarding the direct causes of rheumatoid arthritis. However, we do know that certain genetics and environmental triggers can provoke the condition and modify our own antigens found on our body tissue. White blood cells then see these self-antigens as foreign. They trigger macrophages to engulf these cells with this new self-antigen and become antigen-presenting cells, or APCs. The APCs then travel to the lymph nodes where T helper cells are activated. They stimulate B cells to differentiate into plasma cells and create autoantibodies, also known as rheumatic factors. T helper cells and the autoantibodies travel back to the joints and cause three things. 1. They cause cytokines to be secreted, which recruits more cytokines as well as macrophages to the area. This results in the destruction of cartilage, other soft tissues, and bone. 2. The T helper cells stimulate osteoclasts in joints, resulting in bone breakdown. 3. The autoantibodies form immune complexes and accumulate in the joints, which then activates the complement system and causes further joint inflammation and injury. All this destruction and inflammation causes joint stiffness, pain, and swelling. Additionally, the cytokines secreted travel systemically to other organs, leading to systemic side effects like pulmonary fibrosis and fever.
Let's meet Jane. Jane is 30 years old and is currently working as a school teacher. She has been experiencing stiffness and pain in her shoulders, hands, knees, and hips, and it is typically worse in the mornings. Regarding these concerns, Jane visited her doctor, and her doctor ran some diagnostic tests, including some blood tests. The results from these blood tests are listed on the screen. Following the listed diagnostic results, Jane was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis and was provided a treatment plan and some medication. Following this treatment plan and medication, her condition is much better controlled. However, some mornings are still difficult and pain-filled. Now we'll take a look at a typical day and morning in Jane's life.
Here we go. Another morning of being in pain. Mornings are usually the worst for me. My joints are so stiff and swollen. Today is especially bad. I was too tired to exercise yesterday after work, so my rheumatoid arthritis has flared up today. Daily activities that many people find easy are more difficult for me. Like putting toothpaste on a toothbrush. I find it so challenging to grip objects, especially if they're small. Time to make breakfast. Another painful process for me. Lifting heavy objects or opening the refrigerator door is especially difficult when my rheumatoid arthritis is acting up, but I have to eat. Enjoying something as simple as jam on my toast is something I miss out on since many mornings I can't even open the jar. Most days I can drive myself, but today my neck and shoulder are stiff and sore. I wouldn't be able to properly do a shoulder check or turn the wheel, so I would be putting myself and others in danger.
Hey Katie. Yeah, my rheumatoid arthritis is really acting up today. Do you think you could pick me up for work? I can't drive. Oh, that would be great, thanks.
Hey Jane.
Hey.
A bunch of us are going out for dinner tonight and we're wondering if you wanted to join.
That sounds like so much fun, but I'm actually having a bit of a flare-up today. I'm really tired and I should do my exercises before I go to bed, so I won't be able to make it.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry to hear that. Maybe next time.
I wish that I was able to go out with my friends more. I feel like I'm missing out on so much.
Should I move? Sorry. Should I visit more? Is that okay? Should I just like stare? Sorry.
No, sorry. I don't know why. Should I like...
Hey, Jada.
Hey,
A bunch of us are going out for dinner tonight.
you said Jada.